Welcome to Returning to the Body, an introduction to somatic healing and the journey of deep personal transformation. Please note, this information is strictly for educational purposes only and does not constitute medical advice. For years, we've tried to think our way out of pain, but traditional cognitive models have a biological limit. Your nervous system functions through feelings, not just thoughts. Intellectualizing often separates us from where our deepest experiences are held. The body keeps the score. Trauma and overwhelming experiences bypass the thinking brain, embedding directly into the nervous system as a felt sense. This shows how the thinking mind, emotional center, and deep survival response interact. Somatic healing is a bottom-up approach to transformation. Unlike top-down methods that start with the mind to calm the body, somatic healing starts in the body to heal the mind by gently tracking physical sensations. The anatomy of stuckness involves a threat detection, followed by an interruption of the natural physical response. This leaves trapped energy locked in the tissue, expressing itself as chronic tension, anxiety, or disconnection. We are simply holding onto incomplete survival responses. The window of tolerance visualizes nervous system states: hyperarousal, fight/flight, the window of tolerance, calm, and hypoarousal, freeze. Healing is not about avoiding leaving the window, but building capacity to return to the flow. We can categorize healing into two pathways. Mind-first methods focus on the narrative, using logic and understanding to change thoughts. Body-first modalities focus on the felt sense, tracking physical sensations to complete the interrupted stress cycle. The wisdom of the wild shows a complete cycle. Animals discharge survival energy through trembling and shaking. The interrupted cycle in humans, where we suppress this natural release, is why the body keeps the score. The rhythm of a somatic session focuses entirely on the present moment, not reliving painful memories. It involves 3 steps: curiosity over story, honoring the pace by moving slowly, and gentle release of stored energy by tracking physical sensations. Releasing years of stress too quickly is overwhelming. Titration is the practice of exposing the nervous system to discomfort drop by drop. We process energy in tiny, manageable amounts so the body always feels safe. Healing is a rhythm, not a straight line. The practice of pendulation involves swinging focus between a challenge, tension, and a safe harbor, calm. This trains the nervous system to experience discomfort and return to a state of calm. To process deep energy, we must build somatic resources that signal safety to the brain. These include grounding, the 4-7-8 breath to switch off the fight-or-flight response, and visual orienting by slowly looking around the room. The goal of somatic work is not to eliminate stress, but to expand the window of tolerance. By completing trapped survival cycles and practicing titration, we build a larger, more resilient container to experience the full spectrum of life with flexibility. Somatic healing is about becoming embodied again. It is a brave and gentle process of returning home to yourself. When we finally learn to listen to the body's language, true transformation begins. Healing happens at the speed of safety. If you are ready to slow down, explore the felt sense, and begin the journey of embodiment, we are here to guide you.